Okay, now I show you the pink set. Pink set, you have different, I make different pattern. Let me just see. Only have 6 kits for the pink. Let me see. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'll make 2 of this. Okay, 6. Only have 6. Now I'll show you. This is a small kit. Okay. Okay, for the pink set, one are this pattern here, and inside same. Okay, and the image also the same. Is this. Two, 3, and 4, one big one. So, like so. And for the match with pink and this cream. Look at this. 2 yards of this ruffle lace cream. And this hand dye pink so, and this eyelet lace, 2 different patterns and color, and this slim lace. And for the flower trim, you got this. The price is different from the lavender. I mean the purple kit. Okay. And this beautiful slim flowering lace, and the trim, the lace tiny, and also you got these 2, and the apricot, this one, different item from the lavender color. So you got these flower apricots here. You got 10 pieces in the pack. And this pink, but let's see, buttons, ribbon, flower in different color. The button is a soft pink color, very soft pink color, and some small flower here. Okay, so these have 6 kits. So yeah, just leave your comments under the picture. I will post the pattern, so you can choose your which you prefer. Okay, and thanks again for everyone for your support, and yeah, hope you all like this small kit, and I will coming back next week to show you another special kit that I made. And I think also it's a beautiful kit that I made. And thanks again everyone.